Hi everyone, I'm Shannon Morris, and today we are checking out one of the most unique laptops that I have put my hands on to date. This is the Asus ROG Zephyrus S GX531, and it is the thinnest gaming laptop Asus has made so far. The ROG Zephyrus S features GeForce Max Q, which is an innovative approach to crafting the world's thinnest, fastest, and quietest gaming laptops. It hits the sweet spot of ultimate GeForce gaming and sleek design. This laptop is less than 15.75 millimeters thin, but it still packs in all of the quality specs that ROG's line is known for. With an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with Max Q design, an Intel Core i7 8th generation CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 512 gig PCIe SSD, it's the pinnacle of slim, ultra-portable gaming without sacrificing the hardcore specs. This machine features a lovely brushed aluminum chassis and the notable ROG brand, along with this nice copper detailing on each of the sides. Now, when opening the laptop, the Active Aerodynamic System, which is AAS for short, along with their high-performance anti-dust cooling fans, provide airflow to keep it cool during prime gaming. It's also got 5 sets of heat pipes and 4 sets of heat sinks for more heat dissipation. And when I was playing Fortnite, I definitely noticed how cool this machine stayed. Now, Asus did not compromise the display. With a 144Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time, the screen is a color-accurate 15.6 inches of full HD gaming, and that almost non-existent bezel makes me a happy camper. The dual speakers right under the display are also directed right at you, so it's easy to hear all the action. Powering on the Zephyrus S creates a very cool red and blue underglow, and it also illuminates the Aura RGB backlit keyboard, which can also be customized with the built-in Armoury Crate software. You'll immediately notice that the fans are given ultimate cooling power, as the keyboard and trackpad have been moved to the bottom half of the laptop, with the trackpad shifted to the right. Now, as a touch typist who usually rests her palms on the laptop, I was very curious if this would affect my overall typing speed. Since I usually rest my machine on a desk, it actually didn't affect it at all. And if you have ever tried gaming with a trackpad, it is much easier and way less awkward when it's on the right side of the keyboard instead of under it. Having a trackpad that could also be used as a number pad was a very useful feature too. My usual worries about thinner laptops losing important ports is a void issue here. The ROG Zephyrus S has a full HDMI 2.0, a Kensington lock, an audio jack, and multiple USB ports, including 2 3.1 Type-C ports, one of which features DisplayPort 1.2 compatibility. The new Asus ROG Zephyrus S is now available for pre-order on Amazon, and I would love to know your thoughts on it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more GeForce content. I'm Shannon Morse. Thanks for watching.